guys, welcome back to Techno Fiction. This video is about Work Your Opportunities unit in Leads and Opportunities for Lightning Experience module. In this unit, you will learn how to use opportunities and how to create an opportunity and how to add contact roles to an opportunity. Let's have a look on the topics written and then let's see our challenge. Opportunities as deals. Opportunities are deals in progress. In Salesforce, we can create opportunities for existing accounts or by converting a qualified lead. Let's explore how we can use opportunities to track our deals, better understand who we are selling to, and focus our team's efforts. Next one is opportunity stages. In Salesforce, an opportunity moves through a series of stages linked to the type of task being performed and the likelihood of completing the sale. The stages we usually go through can look like this: prospecting, proposal or price quote, negotiation or review, closed or won, closed or lost. Next, let's see how to use opportunity by creating an opportunity record where we can track our progress. For that, launch your playground, click the Opportunities tab, click New. Now, give this opportunity a name. I named as Get Cloudy 50 Custom Sneakers. So this is for the account Get Cloudy. So search Get Cloudy and select Get Cloudy account name. Choose the type as new customer. Select the close date for the opportunity. Select the opportunity stage. I select need analysis and the probability will be as 20%. So this will look like this. Make sure you have fill the details given in this image and then click save. So we have to fill discount percent. It is not given here. So let's add a discount of 10%. Click save. Next, let's move on to contact roles on opportunities. Contact roles on opportunities tell us which contact we are dealing with and how each contact is related to the opportunity. We can also use contact roles to link contacts from other accounts to the opportunity. Let's see how to put a contact role. For that, go to contacts. To see the contact role in opportunity, select the opportunity name. In that record, you can see contact roles here. If you don't have any contact roles, don't worry. You can create a new contact and you can also add a contact role. So let's see how to add contact roles with our challenge. The given challenge is to create an opportunity and contact role. You're a sales rep with opportunities to win. Create an account, contact, an opportunity to track a deal you're working. Create an account, contact an opportunity to track a deal you're working, then use filters and charts to get the big picture of your deals. For that, we had to create a new opportunity to track our new deal with the name Get Cloudy 24 Holiday Sneakers. Account is Get Cloudy and select a close date. And we have to update the opportunity stage as value proposition, and we have to add a contact role for the contact Alan Johnson for the role decision maker. So launch your playground and go to opportunity, click new, choose the opportunity name as Get Cloudy 24 Holiday Sneakers, and the account name is Get Cloudy. Choose the type as new customer. The discount percent is Irish, they didn't mention, but we have to fill it right. So click anything, and we have to select the close date. Now we have to update the opportunity stages value proposition. So the probability will be filled as 50%. Now click save. So next we have to create contact roles, right? For that, click add contact roles. Select Alan Johnson's name and then choose next. So near Alan Johnson, you can see the role. Choose the role as decision maker and then click save. So now let's see how this record will look like. So in contact roles, you can see Alan Johnson as a decision maker. So we have completed the given challenge. So let's check it. Yeah, we have finished this challenge. If you liked this video, then hit the like button, and if you want to learn more from me, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Share with your friends and comment your thoughts about this video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.